What's going on, everybody? Huge announcement. We have kept this under wraps, have not said anything about it. We are officially opening up a sneaker shop, all right? We might have some crazy surprises, maybe even some RLC carried there, who knows? But with that being said, with this sneaker shop, you gotta have some crazy inventory. So I am buying up everything I see out there. I don't care what the sizing is. Let me know if you guys have anything for sale, cashing out all collections. I just bought this 10K mystery box from Soul Sneakers. Make sure you guys check out his IG. I'm super excited to open this up right here and open up the shop. This has been a long time in the making. Super excited about it. We'll give out more details on the shop as details progress. But in the meantime, gonna be buying up a lot of inventory for the shop. So if you guys have anything for sale, like I said, let me know. Enough talking though. Let's get this box open and I guess see what the first inventory is gonna be looking like. This thing is heavy. 10K, guys. Obviously, we got to get some value out of this. Like I said, everything will be for sale in our shop. We have not got a name for it, so in the comments down below, let me know if you guys have any name suggestions. It doesn't have to have my name in the sneaker shop's name, by the way. We might have to even give out a prize if we end up using your sneaker shop name for the sneaker shop. We definitely got to send you something. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you think it should be called, and that'll be pretty cool if we pick one of your guys' names. All right, so first sneaker up. Okay, we got a pair of Unions, very solid right here, size 10.5, Jordan 4. Got already, shout out to Soul Sneakers, already wrapped the sneaker in plastic. We're ready to go open up the shop tomorrow if we need to. Definitely these will be solid. How much are these going for right now, Gabe?
About $650.
All right, Gabe, our trusty calculator, we're looking at $650 for the size 10.5. We're gonna be throwing deals at this sneaker shop. Our sneaker partners are like,
What are you talking about, Rich?
all right, so we got $650 loaded into the calculator. We'll keep tabs on the entire value. What else we got? Some off-whites right here. Oh, some dunks. All right, this is lot 17, Gabe. As a sneaker shop owner now, you know, I gotta figure out all the pricing, and I'm super excited just to even be thinking about the sneaker shop right now and all the inventory and doing the cash outs, trades. But yeah, this is lot 17. These are size 9. 450. Super solid start right now. We're just gonna be steam rolling through this right here. What else we got? Ooh, some Travis Scott Jordan 4s right here. These look crispy. You know, I worked at Tia Shop, the Sneak City, so I know a little thing or two about authenticating these sneakers. Editor, can we hit the black light on them? These are good to go. They're legit. All right, size 11. What are these going for, Gabe? 1,000. Wow for these. So at the shop, we might have to throw them a little, I think a 900. Once again, sneaker partners are like, Rich, no. All right, so next up, we got some, looks to be Travis Scott, Jordan 1, size 12. So far, it's a solid mystery box. So size 12, the Travis Scott, I just looked these up actually the other day. I think these go for like 18 or 1900, size 12. I had to buy this mystery box because like, I don't want this sneaker shop to have only my personals, all size 8.5, 9 for you guys. You know, only little dudes coming into the shop and everything. And you know, I gotta diversify the inventory. All right, what else we got? Another pair of Unions. So we got the black pair right here. Boom, shakalaka, size 11. How much are these going for? A thou wow right now too? 850. Oh, okay. The 850 for these. What are we at right now?
4,850.
4,850. We got a few pairs left. This is solid right now. Ooh, 11.5. That's gonna be the hardest thing with the shop is like, I might just have to buy up all the trades that come in and that I like, you know what I mean? Or just mark up the, if there's an 8.5 out there and you see it in the store and it's a sneaker I like, you might have to pay a little penny. What lot is this? This is 16. This is probably, in my opinion, the best lot, maybe lot 1 and then lot 16. Definitely these are fire. Kind of has like a dark aqua bungee right here. blue tongue, definitely super clean, size 11.5. All right, and then while I'm opening up, how much were those, Gabe?
600.
600. Okay, boom, another pair of Travis Scott. Before I purchased the box, I did tell Soul Sneakers this is for the shop, so hit me with some stuff that people will be interested in. So yeah, huge shout out to him. Size 11, Travis Scott, same price, 18, 19. All right, oof. Dang, I've not seen these in a while. So the sale pair actually used to be pretty cheap in a resale value, and this one went up crazy in price. I think these go for how much, Gabe? 1,300. That is insane. At one point, these were probably in the $400 to $500 range, and the white pair was way more expensive. How much do the white pair? I'm just curious how much the white pair goes for now. Oh, about the same. Okay, so yeah, the sale pair, I've not seen these in a while. The Travis Scott Forces, size 11, will be in this shizop. All right, so what else we got? We can't be spending too much time on all the, we got to do cash outs. We got to do trades. We got 5 more sneakers. We got 10.5 Union Forest right here. Go ahead and add that one up. What else we got? Whoa, a little off-white. We got a pair of black Prestos. Not my favorite, but definitely nice. I'm like not trying to give you my personal opinion because now we're gonna try to sell them in the shop. So, this is gonna take a little time for me to get used to being a sneaker shop owner because I gotta keep my personal opinion out of the inventory, I guess. But yeah, size 11, Nike Presto, black. How much? 1100. We might be throwing these out for 800. Who knows? All right, we got another pair of Unions. I kind of regret. I was thinking of guava while I was saying regret, so I said regret. I kind of regret selling my pair right here. These are definitely really clean, size 10.5. What are we looking at, Gabe? 900. 11,500. I paid 10,000. So yeah, so those deals that I threw out earlier, I might have to take those back. I still got to make some money off this box, but we'll see. All right, size 13 Air Jordan 1s, Travis Scott's. So big fellas, we're going to have inventory for you as well. And yeah, a little bit more details on the shop. We might have to carry some, I think street market supply might be in there. Maybe some RLC exclusives maybe for the shop only. Who knows? And then I don't know if you guys remember way back in the day, we used to have the Pho Just Eat It merch. I know a lot of people have been asking about that. We might have to throw that in the corner for the pho guys out there, or pho ladies. What are we at? 13,400. Okay. Last sneaker right here. So definitely this has been a profitable box. Dang, these are super clean. So we got the undefeated Kobe Protro What If pack. Comes with 2. What I really like about this pair right here is they are asymmetrical, different colors on both sneakers. Really dope. And then the white pair obviously goes crazy. These are size 11. What are we looking at total, Gabe?
Pack was 800. Total is 14,200.
14,200. Huge shout out to Soul Sneakers for hooking up this box right here. Definitely kicking off the inventory to the shop. Really solid, guys. I'm telling you, we've been keeping this secret under wraps for probably for the past year, and I just didn't want to bring it up to you guys if it wasn't for sure going down. But the sneaker shop is something we're really excited about. We might have to do the whole meet and greet there, bring people out. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a movie. But yeah, just want to say huge thank you to you guys for all the support throughout the years. Definitely opening up the shop is like a dream come true. We have a lot of crazy special things in the works for it. It's not going to be ordinary shop. Going to have a lot of dope clothes, inventory, and going to have a lot of special things about it. But yeah, like I said in the comments down below, let me know what you guys think the shop name should be. Like I said, it doesn't have to have my name incorporated into it. Could be anything out there. Want to see what you guys come up with. And if we use your name, you're definitely going to get brought out, or, we might send you a pair of kicks or something. But 14,200, kicking off the inventory right. Super excited. Stay tuned for more content about the shop. We might even show you the build out. We might even show you more cash outs. Like I said, if you guys have a collection out there that you guys want to sell, let me know. Hit me up in the DMs or email us right here at the bottom if you guys are serious. And we might even fly out to you to do the count. Who knows? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will catch you guys next time.